Hello and welcome to Formnext. I'm Mark Saunders and I'm responsible for Renishaws Solution Center Network. So our theme at Formnext this year is about advancing AM productivity without compromising quality. Additive manufacturing with multiple lasers is transforming the build rate and productivity of the process, and that's bringing more and more applications into viability for production. Crucial improvements in the inert gas flow have led to improved consistency in the components that we can make across the entire bed. This is something that Renishaw has been researching over the last year, and we have identified the critical relationship between lasers in the gas flow. We found out, for example, that when we keep our lasers close together, we can get very good quality metal and consistency across the whole bed. The problems occur when we have one laser that's a long way downwind of the others. This data is allowing us to derive build strategies that enable multiple lasers to work together to build high integrity components. When those lasers are working together in a confined space, we need to consider their relative position. Lasers that are processing downstream of another laser can be affected by the process emissions from the upwind laser. Visit Renishaw's AM Guide, where you can download the white paper called Proximity Pays, which explains some of the principles I've touched on in this video.